Hi guys, this is for the reading of our air sign Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Meron kang matatanggap na magandang balita guys about ito sa pag-abroad, okay? Or possible na sa pag-abroad mo, okay, makikilala mo itong approaching na isang manliligaw sa'yo, okay? Or possible naman na etong manliligaw na to na kung saan nagtapat na sa'yo ng kanyang damdamin ay posible na tiga-ibang bansa nga talaga, okay? Kasi nandito yung katabi niya yung Three of Wands, this is along the sea, okay? This is about traveling, okay? Alam mo, pupunta din 'to sa'yo, okay? Manliligaw 'to sa'yo, informal, kasi andito yung Ace of Wands, balita, masayang balita, magandang balita. Kumbaga, magiging masaya ka kasi mababalitaan mo, pupunta siya sa'yo for formality. Ayan o, andito rin yung Nine of Cups. Kumbaga, releasing. Kumbaga, parang nire-release mo yung emotion kasi parang kang na-overwhelm. Okay? And then I have here the Seven of Pentacles, na which is pagdating din dito sa iyong trabaho, you're doing a hard work talaga, you're very dedicated din. Okay? But then, you needed to pause muna kasi you want to try something new with the Fool. Okay? Parang gusto mong mag-bungee jumping naman sa ibang lugar, sa ibang division ng trabaho, ganyan. Kasi parang gusto mong i-try yung mga makabagong teknolohiya, ganyan, or bagong trabaho ngayon na hindi mo pa natatry before kasi matagal ka na dito sa trabaho mo, this current situation yun. So, parang gusto mong i-try na try new something na parang exciting, ganun. Yan. And then, I am having here also the Emperor. Someone is, this is a father figure eh. Kumbaga, someone is trying to say something to you. Possible na tatay mo to na mag-ingat ka kasi mahirap maging pabigla-bigla sa decision kung ano man yung gusto mong pasukin. Kumbaga, binibigyan ka niya ng piece of advice na ganito mo na gawin mo, ganyan mo na, step by step muna tayo kasi I feel like nagwo-worry siya sa'yo. Okay, this is a tyrant. Tyrant is strict father, yan. And then, a very direct to the point na father kung magsalita. Okay. Ganun siya na tatay, okay? Kung hindi naman tatay mo, just take what resonate, maaring asawa mo to, na binibigyan ka ng piece of advice. Pero I don't think so. Okay, kasi, andito yung Knights of Cups. Merong nanliligaw nga sa'yo. Okay, possible nga na tiga-ibang bansa ito. Or possible na nasa ibang bansa ka at na-meet mo to dyan sa ibang bansa. Na talagang andito yung Ace of Wands eh, na talagang nakatanggap ka ng balita sa kanya na gusto niyang magkaroon ng formality dito sa tatay mo. Okay? So, I'm really, really happy for you, air sign, kasi there is someone talaga na you deserve na talagang magsiseryoso sa'yo. Okay? I can feel here in your cards. Okay? And then, what else? Yeah, better na wag pabigla-bigla ha. Just take it slow. Ang movement natin slowly but surely kasi si air sign Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius is sometimes taking a impulsive move. Okay? So iwasan niyo po yung ganun. Magdahan-dahan lang tayo. Slowly but surely ang galawan natin dapat. Okay? And then, yun lang guys. If you want a personal reading, you can ask my admin team for the pricing of the personal reading. And yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading guys, okay? At yun lang po, mag-iingat po tayong lahat. God bless and good luck.